Welcome to Learning League.
We're gonna save these poor little animals, and then we can pick them up, and then roll it, and then it's gonna melt.
We are saving.
Very fast because it's liquid.
We are saving dinosaurs from oobleck today.
So I'm gonna start right now.
Okay, you can start.
Oh.
Aww. What is that?
I don't know. What is this?
It's a dinosaur.
There's stuff on me. It's getting on me. Got you, little dinosaur. Oh no.
Yeah, there's another dinosaur.
A T-Rex.
Yeah.
T-Rex that has 2 feet and a tail.
Mm.
And I was pretending I was a T-Rex. What is this? I don't know what this is.
It's got spikes on his back.
Yeah. Oh, this one has spikes on his back too.
You're right.
And 3 horns.
So can you show me your what's in your tin there? What's in your bowl? Can you move it up a little bit so I can see?
Ooh, black.
Ooh, it's oobleck. What color is it?
Pink.
It's kind of a pinkish red. Mommy was trying to make it red.
But it's pink.
Do you know why Mommy was trying to make it red?
Why?
To look like lava.
But it's okay. The pink can pretend it's lava.
Yeah, we can still pretend it's lava.
Oh no! I am hot! Oh, I'm in
So do you remember what we were studying?
V.
V and
Dinosaurs.
volcanoes. So the reason I have dinosaurs in there is because a long, long time ago, billions of years ago, they think dinosaurs became extinct. Do you know what extinct means?
What?
It means they're all gone. All the dinosaurs are gone. And they think it happened from either a meteor coming down and crashing into Earth.
Ow! Ow! I just fall down.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Or a volcano erupted.
What happened?
And so all the dinosaurs are gone because the volcano erupted. That's one of the theories. Can you say the word extinct? Extinct. That means that they're all gone.
I want dinosaurs on land.
I
So
know.
I can see them.
That would be really cool, wouldn't
And
it?
then I want a T-Rex in our a giant one because I can pretend I'm a giant one.
Oh.
Ah.
Wow. So maybe when you get older, you can study dinosaurs. You can play in the oobleck.
Maybe I can be a T-Rex. I can be a finder to find bones.
You know what those bones are called?
What?
Fossils.
Fossils?
Mm-hmm. And
Can
someone,
I pick up it?
yeah, go ahead. Someone who studies dinosaurs is called a paleontologist.
I know that.
Yeah.
When I raise my hand up, I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Yes, Sophia.
Paleontologist.
Paleontologist. So who studies dinosaurs?
Paleontologist.
Good job, paleontologist.
I said paleontologist.
It's kind of a funny word.
Yeah. I love that bus that has a kitty cat on it
Oh, yeah.
and eyes on it.
Okay, keep playing in your oobleck.
Can I pick it up? And
You can pick it up. You can play in it. Yep.
I can roll it up and then see what happens.
I don't know if it'll let you roll it up. Because oobleck is a liquid and a solid. And what is that called? a non-newtonian fluid? That means it's a liquid and a solid.
But look.
Mm-hmm.
And when I pat it, soft. Let's see, kids.
Mm-hmm.
Watch.
Yeah.
I'm gonna roll it up fast.
Oh, careful. You're getting it everywhere.
I'm gonna pretend that the dinosaurs in trouble in an earthquake.
Earthquake!
Got you.
You saved all the dinosaurs. Yay!
I'm gonna play in it. Can I pour it out?
Yeah, you can pour it on there.
Okay, so
Just make sure you keep it on the tray, okay? Whoa!
it looks red now.
Let me see our dinosaurs. Oh, they're all stuck. Oh.
Got some.
You saved our dinosaurs. Thank you, Sophia.
I am playing in it. So fun. Oh, maybe we can make some pill and jawless stuff that we can use.
Yeah.
So we can pour this in our pill and jawless cake.
Just be careful because you're spilling it. You got it. Yep. There you go.
Pill and jawless.
So a paleontologist would look for fossils. Do you know what fossils are?
Fossils are stuff that are bones.
They're dinosaur bones. Good job. Smart girl.
Okay. Our paleontologist stuff.
Good job.
Okay. I'm gonna put some of this on the board
Okay.
and study it.
Okay.
What is this, kids? What is it?
What do you think it is?
It's a mountain. It's a mountain.
Yeah.
It's a mountain.
It looks kind of like a volcano.
It looks like a volcano. We can make a volcano out of this.
That would be cool.
Okay.
You're getting very good at pouring that.
Good.
Okay. Did you know that some dinosaurs have really tiny little brains? The size of a walnut.
And so weird about that.
Why?
Because
Is that kind of crazy to think about?
look, it looks like a volcano.
It does look like a volcano.
Ew. Now pour some of this icky, stable stuff on the board so we can steady it. Steady. That's steady. Steady. Okay.
Put your dinosaurs in it.
Why?
I think that'd be cool.
Because
It erupted. You're right. Good word. Erupted.
All of the dinosaurs will be lost in the volcano. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! It erupted.
I can walk in volcanoes because I have a short, tall leg. Look, I can do everything. Let's go in something that doesn't have this lava.
So what is a scientist that studies dinosaurs?
Ooh. A paleontologist.
A paleontologist.
I said paleontologist.
And what are dinosaur bones called?
Erupted?
Fossils.
Fossils. All of the dinosaurs.
Be very careful.
Okay. Oobleck doesn't get the hair on this. Carefully, and steadily.
Good job.
Okay, steady.
Okay.
I want to watch the Gigas erupt.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
It's erupting. Ah, there's rain. It looks like rain.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
All right, we're going to keep playing with our dinosaurs.
Splash.
Can you tell your friends bye?
Splash.
Sophie.
Bye.
Bye, guys.